Welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to use the ITS customer portal. Go ahead and open a web browser and we'll get started. You'll see our web address is www.iowadatacenters.com. Once you get there, you'll see on the left-hand side our navigation. The bottom tab is support. Under that, you'll see a link for the customer support portal. Click on that. Should open a new window, which will show our support page, which you can bookmark if you want to get directly to it. Use your email address for your email ID. Your password has been sent to you in an email previously. If you do not know that password, you can click on Forget Password, and a new one will be sent to you. It's just an auto-generated password. Let's go ahead and we'll log in with my temporary account so we can show you how to use the portal. So once you have your username and password, hit sign in. That's going to open up our portal window. As you'll see, there's open tickets and some closed tickets, and I already have a ticket in there. That's my open tickets. This way, what you can do is go and look at tickets you currently have in there and see what the progress is on there. If you don't have any tickets or you've never put one in, you'll just see that kind of show and then all. First thing I want to look at though is let's look at resetting your password, because again, it's an auto-generated password, so you probably want something you're going to remember. So if you click on My Settings, it's going to open a little window for you here. You'll put in that auto-generated password there, or your old password, and then twice you'll need to put in whatever you want your new password to be. Hit Save, and your password should be changed. So I'll close out this window. And let's take a look at some of these tickets here. If you did have a closed ticket, the purpose of that would be you could go back and look and see maybe what our solution was. What we had you do, because maybe you'll have that same issue again, and you could look back and kind of see what if you don't remember what the solution was for that issue. So let's go and look at our open tickets. So I'm gonna click on the subject here, and that's gonna open my sample ticket that I put in earlier. And there's some information here that you can use that just kind of follow your ticket. You can see right now it's been assigned to Jason, which is me. All of our techs have an account, so you can see which tech is working on it. When you email in a ticket, it just goes to help desk until one of the techs picks it up. So right now it's assigned to me, so I'm responsible for working on that. What's some other information here that might be helpful is the ticket title, which you would put in when you submit your ticket. The description, which is what you've also put in and what is wrong with your ticket, or what is wrong, what your issue is. And then you'll see there's solutions, which is something the tech is putting in, kind of describing what they're doing to fix the issue currently or how they've fixed the issue. And you can also see there's a comment box. Something new comes up, you can put in comments there. Those will be generated back to the tech that's working on your ticket. So let's go ahead and put in a new ticket. This is kind of the main purpose for you to see the portal. Most of you probably generate tickets right now by emailing the help desk address, and that's fine. There are a couple reasons we'd want you to go to the customer support portal to put in tickets, and I'm going to talk about those here. So as you can see, there's some information we want to get from you when you put in a ticket. We don't need all of it. Kind of the main thing is we need a title, just like you normally do when you do an email. And just you can put whatever you want in there. Sometimes it's good if you put your name and maybe which company you're from, and maybe just a snippet about the issue. Maybe if it's an email issue, you just put email. So again, you're going to have a description of the issue, so you don't have to put too much in there. Product name, we really don't care about. Service contracts, ticket severity, we really don't care about those items. Nor do we care really about the ticket category. They aren't a big deal. The description is where you're going to put what your actual issue is. So this is what's wrong. And again, we do need a title, so let's make sure we put that back in there. And probably the most important thing, and the reason we need you to use the portal at times, is the ticket priority. You'll see right here the default ticket priority is normal. When you send an email ticket in to the help desk, that automatically comes in as normal, and that's your only option, is to put it in as normal. When you go into the portal, you have some options. Normal is again the default, but there's some other options that, let's see if we can get those to pop up here. Yep, we have normal, high, and critical. And high is not a huge deal. Critical is very important. If you have a critical issue, meaning you need it dealt with right away, then we need you to come to the portal and put in a critical ticket. Currently, what many people are doing is emailing the help desk, and then in the subject line, you put important, high, hot, priority, something like that. And most of the time, we do see those and then treat them as a critical ticket. But let's say everybody is busy, or let's say it's after hours, those will not come through our system as critical. And the difference is when it comes through as a critical ticket, it will come to the pager 24/7, 365. And the pager will go off and we'll know, hey, we have a critical ticket. We need to make sure somebody is taking care of that. So if you have a critical ticket, we need you to come to the help desk and put it in as critical. Okay, so let's go ahead, and we're probably not going to hit save here, because if we do, that's going to actually go to the pager just like I said, and that's going to make the pager guy mad. So let's go ahead and just hit cancel. So cancel out of here, and then when you're done, all you need to do is go and log out of your account, and that's it. Thanks, and if you have any more questions about the ITS customer portal, contact us, maybe even put in a ticket, and we'll be happy to answer your questions.